Sa aking mga kabata ni Dr. Jose Rizal, kapag ang bayay sadyang umiibig sa kanyang salitang kalaog ng langit, sanlang kalayaan na saring masapit, katulad ng ibon sa himpapawid, pagkat ang salita'y isang kahatulan sa bayan, sanay, mga kaharian. At ang isang tao'y katulad kabagay ng alinmang likha noon kalayaan. Ang hindi magmahal sa kanyang salita ay may higit sa hayop at malansang isda. Kaya ang marapat pagyamanin kusa at tulad sa inang tunay na bala. Ang wikang Tagalog tulad din sa Latin, sa Ingles, Kastila at salitang Anghel, sapagkat ang buong maalam tumingin ang siyang nagawat na bigay sa atin. Ang salita natin, huwag din sa iba, sa may alpabeto at sariling letra. Kaya nawalay, tinatnan ng sigwa ang yunday sa lawa noong dako.
Wow. Thank you, teacher.
Ezra! That was a lovely poem. Can you share that poem with me? Can mommy share that poem with me? Because we're also reading about Jose Rizal. Did you also read about Jose Rizal?
Yes.
Yes. Who's Dr. Jose Rizal?
He's our national hero.
He's our national hero and he died for our country, right? And he wrote many books. He wrote 2 famous books, El Fili and Noli Me Tangere, El Filibusterismo. I'll ask mommy to share that poem with me. And wow, that's your book. Can I take a picture? Can you smile? Smile. 1, 2. Yan, 1, 2, 3. Nice book, Ezra.
Wow.
Can I show you my book? Can I show you my book quickly? Okay,
Sure.
please hold on. Okay.
Good job, Ezra. So proud of you. You did well. That's what happens when you practice.
Sorry, I had to stand up. Here's our book.
Wow.
We're also reading about Jose Rizal. Okay.
Wow.
I'm excited to know. When I see you in our co-op, let's talk more about Jose Rizal. Okay? But for now, I'll give you a round of applause. Gabs,
Wow.
can we give Ezra a round of applause? Thank you so much for sharing that poem about the Philippines by Dr.